Hi, Jessica from the eRank team here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use eRank's browser extension to do holiday-specific keyword research. The holiday that we're focusing on today is Lunar New Year, which is celebrated at the beginning of the year by many different countries in Asia, but there are also lots of celebrations in the US and the UK as well. So, how do we get to the extension? Well, if you don't already have it installed, from your eRank dashboard, you can click on the extension button, and that will bring you to the Chrome store where you were able to download it, and we have a full walkthrough as well. I already have it on my computer, so I'm just going to go straight to Etsy.com. Here's the Etsy homepage, and I have the extension pinned on my browser. So I can click the little eRank E, and from the Etsy homepage, if you click on it, it'll show you the current hot trending keywords on Etsy. So right now it looks like personalized gift, wall art, wall decor, etc. are popular right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type in Lunar New Year, and we're going to see what pops up. So I'm going to click search, and I'm going to wait for the search result page to load. And once it does, I can see within the extension the keyword statistics for whatever keyword I typed into the search bar. So these are going to be the keyword statistics for the keyword Lunar New Year. I can see average searches, clicks, click-through rates, and the competition. I can also see a search trend graph, which shows how popular the keyword was over the past 15 months. So it looks like for last year, the peak was in January with just about 4,500 searches. I can also scroll down and see searches by country, which I'm in the US. And so most of my info will default to US. So it looks like 90% of the searches were from the US, and then 10% were from the United Kingdom. And I can scroll down on the search result page, and I can kind of get an idea of some of the colors and trends and themes that are popular for this holiday. So the color red is very popular for Lunar New Year as it symbolizes luck. And this year is the year of the wood snake. So you can see lots of different snake themed things, like this sticker over here. We can see some Lunar New Year necklaces, lots of luck themed things. So you see like lucky pouches, gift card holders, lots of snake things. And if I want to do a little bit more keyword research, I can use these tabs in the browser extension. So if I click on listings, it's going to load the listings that are shown on the search result page in order. So you can see that this hoodie, this black hoodie with the snake on it is first. So I can see the tags that this listing is using. And if I click on the copy, I'll be able to copy the tags and then paste them wherever I need to, in my own listing, in an Excel spreadsheet, wherever I want to hold my tags to remember for later. I can also see estimated views and sales for each of these items. Now, if I click on tags, I'll see the most popular tags used by the listings that are shown on this search result page. So Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year, Year of the Snake, red envelope, Chinese zodiac, all these keywords are being used by the listings that are shown on the search result page right now. So if I want to save some for my own keyword research, for my own listings, what I can do is I can click this little star next to any keyword that's on this list. Once I do that, it'll do a little twirl and it'll color it in and it'll add it to my current keyword list, which is shown here at the bottom. This one is called eRank Demo, but you can have it named whatever you want. And it also shows how many keywords you have in that list right now. So this is a great way to do keyword research for not only Lunar New Year, but holidays throughout the year. As you can see, it's super easy and super quick to do. I've done no editing for this video, and it's just about 4 minutes long. So we at eRank look forward to helping you save time and energy when doing your keyword research. Happy Lunar New Year!